in March 2019 examination which was conducted, 16,952 students appeared, out of which 15,187 students passed, and 89 this percentage comes to 89.59%. Number of students appeared is 4,117. Number of students passed 3,612, and the result of art stream is 87.73%. Commerce, 5,173 students appeared, 4,752 students passed, and this result is 91.86%. Science, 4,819 students appeared, out of which 4,422 students passed, and this result is 91.76%. And vocational, 2,843 students appeared, 2,401 students passed, and this result is 84.45%. So the commerce result is the highest. Boys, 7,985 boy students appeared, out of which 6,940 students passed, and this pass percentage is 86.91%. Girls, 8,967 number of girl students appearing for examination, and pass 8,247, and this pass percentage is 91.97. So the girls has overtaken the boys as far as the passing percentage is concerned. Then total you have, it is 89.59%. Then the center-wise pass percentage, you can see the highest result is MAPSA, this, and the minimum pass percentage is Sakri Center, that is 78.34%, and the MAPSA is 95.35%. Now first 6 schools they have scored 100% result. Teresa's Higher Secondary School Kandolim, Sri Kamleshwar Shikshan Prasarak Sanstha's Higher Secondary School Koregaon, Vishwanath Mahadev Parolekar Higher Secondary School, Mushtifand Aryan Higher Secondary School, Lokvishwas Pratishthan's Higher Secondary School, Sanjay Higher Secondary School for slow learners and hearing impaired, Parwari 100%.